Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to cook noodles. I'm using Indomie noodles here because that is the noodle that is very popular in Nigeria, but you can use any type of noodle that you have to make this. With diseases ravaging the world right now, especially this COVID-19 that has come and made Nigerians to be so used to drinking garlic ginger tea every day. So if we can find a way to add garlic, ginger and turmeric to our foods and still make the food taste good, like I have done, I think it's a plus. We are going to get the energy from the noodles and still enjoy the nutritional benefits of garlic, ginger and turmeric. I had wanted to also add a little carrot to this, but I can't find carrot in the fridge, so I'll just make do with this. Just a slice from this green pepper is okay. So let's cook our noodles with garlic, ginger and turmeric. See how to go about this. So I'm going to chop the garlic, ginger and other vegetables that we need to add to this our noodles right now. Then we boil them and take out the tea. That will be the stock for our noodles. So I'm going to chop and boil the garlic and the ginger. So what measurement do I take? I think I'll take a tablespoon full of ginger and a teaspoon of garlic. That should be okay for these 2 packs of noodles that I'm preparing. So let me see, is this up to 1 tablespoon? Okay, the ginger is okay. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger. So I put it in the pot. And then a teaspoon of garlic. It's full. This is 1 teaspoon of garlic. So I'm adding it to the pot. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water for the 2 packs of noodles. 2 cups of water to boil the garlic and ginger and take out the tea for cooking. This is 1 cup of water. Here is another 1 cup of water. So we'll let it boil. So the 2 cups of water is too much. I normally do this 1 spoon and 1 tablespoon for 1 cup of water when I make just 1 noodle for my son. I think I should just increase it and make it the normal quantity I always do. So I've added another teaspoon of garlic and I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger. This is the measurement I use all the time and I think I should just make it that way. So why I'm sharing this recipe is because every time I use this method to make noodles for my baby, he consumes 2 packs. Normally my 6-year-old can only finish a pack of noodles. So I think this is very good for me to share to parents of kids who love noodles and even adults who like to eat noodles. When you make your noodles this way, I think it's very healthy for every member of the family. So we are going to let this is like you're making your garlic ginger tea. So it's that tea that I'm going to get out to use for the noodles. So I'll wait for it to boil. See, the heat is very low. I'm using the smallest burner to make this, so I want it to boil gradually so I can get out the flavor of the ginger and garlic. So it has boiled now. We just have to sip out and use. Okay, it started boiling. I waited for about 3 more minutes to really get out the juice and the flavor that I need for the noodles. So now we are going to filter out the chaff and use our tea for making the, should I call it tea or stock, which is correct? I don't know. Is it garlic ginger sauce, garlic ginger tea, or garlic ginger stock? I don't know, but I'm just going to filter it out. What I want is the delicious noodles that comes as a result of this. So right now I'm going to filter this out. So the flavor is all over my kitchen. Like when you smell barbecued chicken or fish, that garlic and ginger were used as ingredients. So right now, this is what we are using for the noodles. I'm going to take this back into the pot to cook the noodles. So that has added us the benefits of garlic and ginger. This is just 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I've added this 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. So now I'll just let it boil before adding the noodles, seasoning, onion, and the remaining ingredients. So cover and let the pot boil. Boiling, so it's time for the noodles. So this is the chopped onion, just a little onion and green pepper. A few strips of green pepper. And it's now time for the noodles. Here is the seasoning from the pack of noodles. The seasoning that comes with it. He says he doesn't want chilies. He doesn't want pepper in his food, so I won't add the chilies. The green pepper is okay for me. There is the seasoning. So it's there. This will cook in 5 minutes. So this has cooked for 3 minutes. I'll wait for about 2 more minutes. And it's ready for food. It's ready. So this is our noodles cooked with garlic, ginger, turmeric, and green pepper. So let's serve. So here is it. So here's our noodles. Delicious. Enjoy.